In this video we want to show you how you can get to the airport in Bordeaux. Starting from the main station, you have two options. Option number one is you take the express bus. It just takes 30 minutes. The price for a one-way ticket is €8. The second option is right in front of the train station. You can just get a regular bus ticket for around €1.70. The ride takes almost 1 hour. This is the bus timetable. The bus goes every 10 minutes. Here you will see how you can buy a bus ticket on the ticket machine.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.